Hi everyone, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel, and today in this video we are going to see part 1 of quality assurance interview questions. We are updating the series, and those who are preparing for quality assurance interview, and definitely these series will help you. Total of 3 to 4 parts are there, so please watch the video completely and prepare for your interview. And if you want any tips regarding how to prepare a good resume for the interview, you can ask in the comment section so that I will be able to help you. So first of all, those who are visiting now freshly to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share this video with your classmates. So let us start. So define quality assurance. So this is the first question and basic questions you may be asked by the interviewer. So quality assurance is a broad concept, all matters encompassing all matters which individually or collectively affect the quality of the product. So the QA primarily focus on planning and documenting procedure to ensure quality. So quality assurance is the main target of any companies. Good quality products lead to good sales and patients acceptability, etc. So what is documentation? So documentation means you can understand whatever the process, if you have established, and documenting them is very important. So documentation means includes all type of written procedures, records, instructions, as well as quality control test records. So it involves all procedures associated with manufacturing activities of drug product. So this is about documentation. What are in process checks? So quality of the product is very important. Not only testing after completion of the after getting the output, in during the process also some tests are performed. These are called in process quality checks. These checks are inspections carried out during the activity to monitor and when necessary adjust the process to ensure product conforms to its specification, producing a quality product. During in process checks, what needs to be checked or recorded? So during in process check, you need to check the environmental monitoring, measured values from the process equipment, temperature, RPM, measured values from the personnel, the timings, and these process attributes. For example, if you are in compression area, weight, hardness, thickness, diameter, friability, DT, group weight, etc. These are some of the in-process checks. So what precautions should be taken while collecting in-process samples? So the main thing first you need to do is ensure having ensure your hands are with a personal protective equipment. Ensure a fresh gloves because you are touching the product directly. So directly with the gloves. So also ensure that, so not directly, you are not touching the product directly, and you cannot touch also. So ensure proper gloves and check the gloves before touching the product whether it have any mm, pieces or tearing of the gloves, and after that only you need to check. So all this is done to prevent contamination, and always use gloves during sampling. You cannot collect samples with bare hands. So what are the factors which influence the tablet hardness? So the tablet that is manufactured during compression is influenced by several factors, and the hardness is influenced by the force applied during compression and also the amount of binder in the granule blend and presence of moisture. So if a leak test fails during in-process checks, what need to be done? So if a leak test failure means it is a big thing and need to be addressed immediately. You need to stop the packing process and check the sealing temperature and inspect the knurling quality and the printed foil. In the previous videos, I have explained about what is knurling and isolate and quarantine the packed goods since the last passed leak test, and collect random samples and conduct a retest. Blisters that pass the leak test may proceed, and those that fail must be deblistered or defoiled accordingly. So next question is what needs to be checked during AHU validation? During AHU validation, the following things has to be conducted: air velocity and number of air changes. So AHU validation, following things are done. What is the air velocity and number of air changes? The airflow pattern, visualization, differential pressure, temperature and relative humidity of the area, static condition area qualification, dynamic condition qualification, non-viable particle count, microbial monitoring, area recovery, and power failure study. So these are the things that you need to be checked during AHU validation. Guys, you can also subscribe to my another YouTube channel, Let's Learn Pharma. And coming to what is change control. So change control is nothing but whenever a new change are made in the already controlled system, we need a change control. Suppose you are bringing a new equipment into an area which is already having all the controls. Area is having all the controls, so you are creating a change. For that you need to take a change control. So in context of validation, it refers to how changes to the validated system are implemented, and change control is necessary. It is very important to demonstrate regulatory authorities after modifications validated system remain under control. This is because in pharmaceutical system proper controls are there, and these controls are validated. That's why change control is needed whenever some changes are made in these validated systems. So next question, what is an SOP? A standard operating procedure is a specific document which describes how to perform a particular task. So SOP is nothing but what you have to do is clearly written with instructions in a step-by-step manner and easily understandable layman language so everyone can understand. So many organizations have a range of SOPs how to execute various tasks. Technicians and operators are trained on individual SOPs, and their training records indicate SOPs they are authorized to use. So in pharma industry, whatever action you want to perform, action or activity, you need to have training on that particular activity. So trainings will ensure that you have proper knowledge to perform the activity. That's why SOPs are very important in pharmaceutical industry, and these SOP trainings are conducted on a regular basis to ensure all employees have proper training and proper knowledge on the activities they are performing. So this is all about some of the quality assurance interview questions. For part 2, please check our channel's playlist, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Pharma Job Alert and like this video.